Nelson Mandela once said, "Action without vision is only passing time. Vision without action is merely daydreaming, but vision with action can change the world." My name is Rangimarie Kingi, and it's my pleasure to be here today to talk to you all about the use of knowledge without action. So, what is the use of knowledge without action? The simple answer to that is nothing. Nothing at all. It has no use. In fact, the only outcome of this is something bad, something hurtful, something we shouldn't need to deal with had we received the knowledge others have about the situation. What is the point of knowing how to rectify a situation or knowing how to make a change if you're not even going to put that knowledge to use? It's like knowing that an individual is being bullied, but you say nothing, you do nothing, you don't act upon the situation, and then what? What is the outcome of this? The only outcome is deep depression, anxiety, suicidal thoughts and actions, drugs, alcohol. All over the social media, our people, our youth are going through these dilemmas. And people know about it, yet say nothing. But why? Why don't they be the change? Why don't they make that difference? But don't get me wrong. There are people out there who care about others, who act on their knowledge, who make a difference, and who also share the consequences. And that's who we all need to be. I'm lucky enough to have a knowledgeable, supporting family and school community who reach out to those who are seeking advice and need somebody to talk to. So, what is the use of knowledge without action? In the words of Molière, it is not only what we do, but also what we do not do for which we are accountable. Someone I spoke with when writing this speech gave me their opinion on the topic. She said, "Knowledge without action to me is like having the solution to a problem but not doing anything about it. If you saw a person drowning and you knew how to swim, would you just let them drown or would you do something about it?" If we accept knowledge without action, then we are metaphorically letting other people drown. And I couldn't agree with her statement more. If we have the knowledge that can make a change, then we should use it. This is like our Māori language. If we know how to speak and teach it, then we should do so. A national census in 2013 showed that 21.3% of all Māori could hold an everyday conversation in te reo. Of them, the amount of Māori able to hold a conversation rose only among those aged 65 and older. This means that we need to start learning, understanding, and teaching our beautiful language and culture before it's too late, before it's gone. Ways we could prevent this is by asking our kaumātua and our kuia to teach us just a few words a day. Or you could do online te reo Māori learning, or for students, you could learn it within your kura time. Now, I know it's not easy finding the right resources to learn our language, but we need to do something before all of our fluent te reo speakers are gone and the language gets lost. Knowledge is power. Educationally, some students are more advanced than others. Some students excel in certain subjects more than others. When you see a friend struggling to get the answer to a question, don't you want to help them? Don't you want to see them feel some type of accomplishment? Miss Marianne Williamson said, "Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure." This means that we shouldn't be afraid of being able to fulfill our destiny, but harness the unrealized potential within, helping others to also realize their own aspirations, like they can finish their school homework on time. Martin Luther King Jr. said, "Somewhere along the way, we must all learn that there is nothing greater than to do something for someone else." So, Do something for someone else and help where you can. If you know the answer to a tricky maths question, then teach them, show them, help them to believe in themselves. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you this today. As Mandela said, vision with action can change the world. So let's all make a change using the knowledge we have. Take charge and save the drowning man, save the bullied people, save our language, save our future, but most of all, save ourselves. Kia ora.